to be here today? There we go. I love it. Okay.
Coffee, guys, 3 tamales. Ice cold water, caldo. Ice cold water.
The most infamous island in the world. The National Park Service welcomes you to Alcatraz.
Look, they got a water station.
We have some maps and guides here provided by our partners at Golden Gate National Parks Conservancy. They do ask $1 for printing costs for these, an optional way to get to know the island if you like to have something printed with you. And then I'll be sharing all the pertinent, timely, need-to-know information here on the microphone. Hey those, I'm Ranger Sienna. Thank you all so much for coming out to the island today. I'm gonna start with the safety practical stuff, then the fun stuff. So first things first. There's about 500 toilets on this island. Only about 20 of them work. The first bathroom is down here at the dock behind you. There's also one up top by the lighthouse. The rest of the toilets are historic. Please don't use them. Food and drink other than water is only allowed down here at the dock to protect our historic and natural resources, but bottled water is good everywhere, and we have water fountains at each bathroom. Our designated smoking area is to your left around this corner behind that construction over there. And to the right, you'll see a white vehicle. That is our accessible tram. The walk to the top of the island is only a quarter mile or 400 meters, but it is one big San Francisco hill. You might be familiar with those already. As you explore, please watch your step. Keep all personal belongings with you at all times. And when you see a closed and barricaded area, please stay out of those areas. They are closed for your safety. As I mentioned, we are a national park site. Everything here is protected. Please take only pictures, leave only footsteps. And then whenever you're ready to leave, you can get onto any boat you'd like. They leave about every 30 minutes all the way until 4:25 today. If you want to leave sooner, there are schedules posted in blue around the island. In this building behind me, as you start up the road, there's a metal staircase and ramp on the left. Take that in all the way to the back. We Hope the Rock is again open all day. You'll hear from the voices of occupiers themselves about this occupation of Alcatraz. The thing to tell you is that audio tour, the audio guide that is included in your ticket, comes in 11 languages and will take you all around that cell house. Street signs to the cell house to start that audio tour. With that, thank you all so much for listening. I'll be here if you have any questions, and enjoy your national park.
Oh, you drink. With a spoon.
With a spoon?
Rise up to lunch on the wharf today, guys. Room free.